As indicated by our Star Atlas DAO cost forecast, the cost of Polis is anticipated to increment by $0.006346 throughout the following 7 days, coming to $0.130784 by October 2, 2023. Assuming you are looking for Star Atlas DAO market gauge, examination or cost expectation, you presumably generally need to explicitly know where the cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, may explicitly go from here on out. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt, and for the most part foresee future cost developments in a huge manner. This cost expectation in every practical sense is pointed toward responding to the majority of your inquiries. Will Star Atlas DAO, Polis, recover its all-time high? What will Star Atlas DAO for the most part be worth, especially 1 month from now? Is currently the ideal opportunity to sort of purchase Star Atlas DAO in an unpretentious manner? Is Star Atlas DAO at present appearance bullish or negative signs? In this Star Atlas DAO cost expectation figure, we will process different Polis specialized pointers to foresee the cost of Star Atlas DAO in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectations throughout the course of recent days. Star Atlas DAO generally has been giving negative indications as the coin in a real sense dropped 15.73%, which is very huge. Because of this, we expect a slight recuperation inside the following week, as financial backers make the most of this plunge as a chance to sort of purchase Polis, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Underneath you can in a real sense see the Star Atlas DAO hourly, day-to-day, week-by-week and month-to-month cost forecasts in a very large manner. These expectations plan to explicitly provide you with a sign of what Star Atlas DAO will be extremely worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, throughout the following week and 1 month from now in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, verifiable cost and market examination. The kind of current cost of Star Atlas DAO is $0.124438, and it is presently positioned number 568 out of all cryptographic forms of money. How much stockpile presently available for use for Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is $153,005,849 with an all-out market capitalization of $19,038,130 in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the especially beyond 24 hours, the cost of Star Atlas DAO truly has expanded by 0.67%. Star Atlas DAO in a real sense struggles with picking up speed throughout recent days, down 15.73%. Polis is giving negative indications this week. This moment could especially be a decent opportunity to, in every practical sense, contribute on the off chance that you are considering purchasing Star Atlas DAO, or so they certainly thought. Inside the sort of most recent 30 days, the cost of Polis expanded by 1.08%, adding $0.00133 to its past worth of $0.123108, and pushing the market capitalization to $19,038,130 in an exceptionally large manner. On the off chance that you are considering purchasing Star Atlas DAO today, you ought to hold on until another bear market to put resources into Polis, which is genuinely critical. The cost of Star Atlas DAO explicitly has truly dropped by 15.07% over the most recent 3 months, dispensing with $0.02208 from its past worth of $0.146518. Our Star Atlas DAO market gauges are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations which truly dissect different specialized pointers, for example, the general strength file, RSI, moving normal combination dissimilarity, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Groups, BB. The crypto market is known to be profoundly unstable. Foreseeing future sticker costs of Star Atlas DAO essentially is a troublesome errand, and numerous different variables impact the cost in an unobtrusive manner. Subsequently, the expectations on our side ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to, in every way that really matters, do your sort of own examination. Counsel your monetary consultant prior to pursuing any speculation choices. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that Star Atlas DAO will accomplish a greatest cost of $0.223988 as the market starts to sort of recuperate. The for the most part least expected cost is $0.149325, and the typical cost will float around $0.186657. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Expectation 2024. As Star Atlas DAO keeps on arriving at new highs, Our calculation expects that in 2024, Star Atlas DAO can generally accomplish a very greatest cost of $0.348426, while the typical cost for the year will remain around $0.311094. In the event that a bear market shows up, the base value Polis can reach in 2024 is $0.273763. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we anticipate that Star Atlas DAO should really see great development, as crypto earns respect across a lot of business areas, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Thus, the cost could generally reach as high as $0.472863, averaging around $0.435532. Star Atlas DAO could see a base cost of $0.398201. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Expectation 2026. With the preceded with development of capital in the crypto market, Star Atlas DAO could basically arrive at a greatest cost of $0.597301 in 2026, within in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.559997. If an auction happens, the really least cost expected in our expectations sits at $0.522638 in a significant manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of Polis by nations all over the planet, Star Atlas DAO can guarantee a for the most part greatest cost of $0.721739 by 2027, with a typical cost of $0.684407 anticipated. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could see $0.647076. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Forecast 2028. In the year 2028, Star Atlas DAO reception will keep on ascending, with controllers starting to especially acknowledge that crypto sort of is digging in for the long haul, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Financial backers could, all things considered, see Polis arriving at an essentially most extreme cost of $0.846176 by 2028, followed by a fundamentally least cost of $0.771514. The very normal cost for 2028 is supposed to be $0.808845. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Expectation 2029. Out of 2029, because of the development throughout recent years, we will see another significant bull, and that implies that Star Atlas DAO financial backers might see Polis accomplish a greatest cost of $0.970614, followed by a very normal cost of $0.933283. The base cost got from our specialized examination is $0.895952, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Expectation 2030. For the year 2030, Polis is supposed to keep on revitalizing towards $1.10 in light of market opinion, which is very critical. Neglecting to acquire this help could basically see Star Atlas DAO truly normal around $1.06 and base out $1.02, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star